If your child has been dealing with a persistent cough and over-the-counter syrups hasn't helped, here's a simple DIY remedy you can try at home. It may not smell or taste the best, but it definitely works. Start by washing and peeling, slicing your onions into halves. Place them in a clean, airtight container. Then sprinkle a spoonful of sugar over the top. Cover and let it sit for about 2 hours. After that, you can give it to your child. Just make sure to use the right dosage for their right age. Discard after 3 days and make a fresh batch if need be. Let me know in the comment section if you found this helpful. If you don't like onions and you want another DIY remedy for cough, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.